In time, when trying to impress a female, a male penguin will present a single pebble to win over the female he admires. If she accepts, the two penguins will mate and stay together for life. If only it were that simple for humans. Because humans are far more complex, our behavior when we are attracted to someone is quite different. But just as we have decoded the courtship rituals of penguins, we have made significant strides in understanding what makes women attracted to men and vice versa. What you're about to learn is a core principle that can help you understand how to attract beautiful women. I remember growing up having crushes on various girls. The problem was, these girls never seemed interested in me. Instead, they were always drawn to the guys who showed no interest in them. At the same time, I had a few girls who pursued me and made it very clear that they liked me, but I wasn't interested in them the way they were in me. I only wanted the girls who seemed uninterested. The reason I couldn't seem to win these girls over was that I didn't understand what makes women attracted to men. Many of my friends had better luck, but it was really just luck, as they didn't fully understand what they were doing either. Things began to change for me once I grasped this fundamental truth. It started with a girl I met at the gym. When I first began working out, the gym was the one place where I felt truly confident. All the confidence I have today in other areas of my life can be traced back to the gym and the self-improvement I achieved there. At the gym, I could be myself, relaxed and comfortable around anyone. After about a year, I met this beautiful girl. Without trying too hard, I could make her laugh and feel good most of the time we were together. Even though she was attractive, I wasn't interested in her because I had a girlfriend at the time. Over time, she started to really chase me. So, as you might imagine, it was time to switch gyms and go undercover. I changed my phone number, my address, and even stopped wearing my favorite pair of red sneakers. Just kidding, I really just switched to a different gym. After reflecting on why this girl started to chase me, I realized it was because of how I made her feel. Today, studies show that women are naturally more emotional than men. And when you think about it, they kind of have to be, as they bring babies into this world. Without a special radar to detect emotions, they would have trouble caring for their children. Think about it. When a feminine girl sits down to watch TV, she tunes into shows like Teen Mom or The Bachelor. Older women might watch soap operas. Girls watch these shows because they stimulate emotions. When a guy turns on the TV, he watches sports, cars, or maybe the Discovery Channel if he's a bit nerdy. Girls crave emotional stimulation, but most importantly, they want to feel good emotions. Studies show that the more emotional a situation, the more likely a girl is to remember it. This is why I recommended in earlier videos that if you want a girl to remember her time with you, do something exciting and thrilling with her. Some of the most charming guys, the ones who excel around any girl in almost any situation, are those who know how to make girls feel good emotionally. Unfortunately, this isn't always easy to do. In fact, most girls are extremely sensitive, and something as simple as the wrong combination of words can trigger a storm of emotions. Whenever possible, you do not want to be on the receiving end of that storm if you don't have to be. The easiest way to stimulate a girl's emotions positively is to simply be positive and make her laugh. To do this effectively, though, you need to be comfortable around them. If you still struggle with this, work on that first. It is always best to play to your strengths and find someone you feel most comfortable talking to. So the fundamental truth I learned about attraction at the gym is that girls respond most to how you make them feel. The more positive emotions you can create when you're around them, the more they will associate those positive feelings with you, and the more attracted to you they will become. In a perfect world, attracting a beautiful girl would be as simple as offering her a pebble, like the penguin. But for humans, it just doesn't work that way. And with that said, until next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and insights.